The age of 50 is the age that is usually recognized as old age. This is because most people's organs begin to weaken and their skin begins to wrinkle and look older. Around this period, making this a common age at which people are considered to be old. It is essential for individuals to take note of the things they should and shouldn't do when they hit this age. In this video, we will enlighten you on things you should stop doing after age 50 according to research. 1. Stop stressing yourself too much. Stress in old age is something that should be taken seriously. That's because stress has been linked to a wide variety of medical issues. Stress has been linked to elevated heart disease risks and altered blood pressure readings in a number of studies. 2. Stop keeping up late at night. Older adults should value their sleep and relaxation time. Research indicates that older people should minimize stress. The reason for this is that it is in their best interest medically. 3. Avoid unhealthy diets and take more healthy meals. The elderly should also limit their intake of harmful meals like fast food and artificial snacks in favor of a more balanced diet of fresh fruits and vegetables. 4. Avoid living a sedentary lifestyle. Most older people, especially those who are in poor health, would benefit from increasing their level of daily activity. This is large because maintaining a sedentary lifestyle has been found to have major side effects on the health of the body. Sedentary lifestyles lead to heart ailments, brain-associated disorders, dementia, and also stroke, which is harmful.